Hi,
How you doing?
I'm Marie Strelecki. I'm a real estate agent with Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. And today with me I have Paul Gise of the Gise Agency, Inc. Thank you, Paul, for being here today.
My pleasure. Thank you for being here.
Paul is an insurance broker, and he's here today to talk about homeowners insurance. And we figured what we would do is probably address the first-time home buyer for this particular conversation. And if you want to come back, we can do another one.
That'd be fine. No problem.
So let's talk about what a first-time home buyer would need to know about homeowners insurance.
Sure, no problem. The main thing with the homeowners policy, and especially the people that are first buying a house, know very little about what a homeowners policy is. It's a package policy. It has two parts to the coverages. You have your property coverage and your liability coverage. Property coverage covers your dwelling, personal property, which is all your contents, belongings that you own that are in the house. There are certain perils that the homeowners policy covers, the main perils being fire, lightning, windstorm, hail, aircraft, explosion, water damage. That's a big issue, water damage. Does not cover flood insurance.
Right, okay.
Water damage on a homeowner's is water that is discharged from a system, broken pipe, water leaking from a toilet, overflow of a bathtub. Those are your typical claims on a homeowner's policy. There are limitations on the policy as far as jewelry and fine arts and silver. There's limited coverage for theft on a homeowner's for those items. You'd have to get full coverage, the insured would have to get an appraisal on the jewelry items, and you would insure that item for that appraised amount and pay an additional premium.
Okay, so let's talk about the structure itself, the
Sure.
house. So when somebody purchases a house, for many, if not most of us, it's our single largest asset.
It is the largest.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. The house has to be insured for as close to the 100% replacement cost, what it would cost to rebuild that structure. A lot of times in this area, being it's a high value area, the mortgage amount has to be covered. So if an insured is buying a house for $650,000 and having a $500,000 mortgage, the coverage on the dwelling has to be at least $500,000 to cover the mortgage amount. There are programs, computer programs that we use. We get a complete description of the house, square footage, rooms, bathrooms, and any exceptional features, custom kitchens, granite, the whole bit. And that tells us, put it in the computer, and it tells us what the replacement cost would be. A good point is that a lot of times you don't want to overinsure a house or underinsure it. So that's why year after year we do these replacement cost estimations to make sure.
Okay, so is that something that you're doing automatically behind the scenes, or is that something the new homeowner has to initiate?
No, we do it.
Okay,
We
so
do it. Because we have to make sure we're insuring the house to the proper amount, because the insurance companies will do their own inspections and tell us, oh, you're overinsured or you're underinsured.
right, okay.
Yes.
So you had mentioned when you enter this information into the computer, you had mentioned like a kitchen, granite.
Mhm.
So, a first-time home buyer, the first thing they want to do is get in the house and rip things apart and improve everything. So should they report that to the insurance agency? Listen, I just remodeled my bathroom. And
We usually tell people, first timers, if you plan on doing any renovations at any time, please let us know. A lot of times people get in the house 2-3 years down the road, they do something and they never notify us. Okay. That could be a problem. Okay. Usually an insurance company will work with us, because the average homeowners just don't think of notifying their agent.
Right.
To,
Right.
oh, I put a 12 by 20 room addition on my house.
Right.
Oh, you never told us.
Oh, I didn't tell you?
No.
Oh.
But that's okay. We can
Right.
work with that.
Okay,
That's
very
not
good.
an issue.
Well, that was very helpful information, Paul.
Good, I'm
Thank you
glad.
very much. So,
Oh, you're welcome.
Paul is here in Wyckoff. I
Yes.
will provide all of his contact information, but do you want to provide any contact information?
No, we're on the web. We have our own website, www.thegiseagency.com. You can go there and see us. We're at 615 Wyckoff Ave. Been here a long time, since 1971, I guess.
Yeah, isn't the name on the building?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's the Gise building.
Yeah, it's on the
Yes,
building.
yes.
You can find it. Very easy to find.
Yeah, and we're a full service agency. We do all personal lines, homeowners, auto, and we do commercial lines as well. So,
Okay, well, I'd love to have you back. Maybe we could
Sounds
talk about another insurance topic.
be my pleasure.
Okay, great.
Thank
Well,
you.
thank you, everybody. I'm Marie Strelecki, and you can find me in the Tenafly office if you're looking for me. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.